Actually, the time for description of the image is only a minute. Okay, but depending, say if I have 34 attendees by now, I may fluctuate. It will be depending on me. So you must not run short of the content. And as a tip, use smaller sentences. Keep it something which you can easily relate to, right? And the characters or the pic which, whatever pic I share, you must use that pic too. You must not put yourself, if a girl is sitting or if a boy is standing or some people are seen, so you can make yourself a part of that pic, but do include what is there in the pic too. Do not forget that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so uh, here is your story. Open the combined group. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a sec. Sumit, what's your class section? You're in 8th C, right?
Yes, ma'am. 8C.
Okay. So here your pick goes. This is your picture. Look at it, observe it, and then I shall delete it after 30 seconds.
Ma'am, this is a nice.
Don't talk and don't say anything. You have your time. All right, time up. Yes, speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumit, is my voice coming to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please speak.
So the given photo is about an.
I
You need not to elaborate the pic. You may impromptu, you may now start. Need not to give any intro. You begin your story that I will evaluate. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Um. Yes, ma'am. So here I have.
Your time is going on.
So once upon a time there was a painter, village painter, and he was just finding out something. So he was there out in a just walk for what he wants to paint in his uh, board. So he he asked his friends, and and he was just looking at everything, every object, because he was a good painter and he wants to paint something bright and very good and interesting. But a painter, another friend of his, challenged him to draw an eye. So he asked that which eye? I just want that. Can can you draw an eye? So the painter, so the painter, he just drew an eye, but it was not looking like an human. So,
So,
so the eye was just the painter, the another painter that was his friend. His friend drew another eye. So he said that it is my pet animal. It is my dog's eye.
all right, time up. Time up. So, all of you understood how it has to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, all right, all right. So, now the next volunteer. Is there any volunteer? Or should I take names individually? Sumit Singh from 8C. Any volunteer do I have? All right, lovely. So the next presenter will be Poonam. Shandar. So here your image goes, Poonam. Badhiya se you have to utilize your time, look at it, draw some ideas, and then you can speak.
So this picture tells about
Hello,
there was
hello.
a village.
The picture I have not shared yet. Kahan ho tum? How can you say on random? Wow, your imagination is so good. This is what you people have to use for now. है ना बालकृष्ण? Abhi, pick will be different for every candidate. Okay? This is the catch. Pick will be different for every child. What do you thought? The same pick will remain and students will keep on speaking. No. Chalo, now your picture is this.
So there was a village.
No. Observe your picture first. I have just shared a picture on combined WhatsApp group of class 8th. Very nice listening skills. तुम लोग सुनते नहीं हो, अलग ही दुनिया में मस्त रहते हो. हाँ, observe this picture for 30 seconds. Speak.
So there was a village, and in that village, it is a very big forest, and it is found of tigers. Many visitors come there to visit the wild animals, and the famous animal is tiger. There live two groups of tiger, one a black tiger and a normal royal tigers. Black tigers are enemy of black tigers, and black tigers are enemy of royal tigers. And once a royal lion, female tiger.
Yes. Where is she? Is she gone? A noise was coming. Was it from Poonam's mic? Maybe. Huh,
Yes,
Poonam?
ma'am. That's why I
So a rolling
camera.
tiger, rolling tiger. Now what's next? Finish up. Time is running.
Then uh, new baby was born, and the black tiger is very angry that a new member is now in their group. And when he is sleeping, the black tiger came and attacked to the sleeping born lion and killed him.
All right. Thank you. This was Poonam. Poonam from 8C. Dear, your house is red.
Yellow house, 8C.
Yellow. Sumit, your house is?
Ma'am, red.
Red house. All right. So the next presenter who is with us is, let me scroll a bit. Nazra Bano. Nazra, are you here? Can you please all switch on your cameras? At least for 30 seconds in 24 hours, you can be honest. Huh? For 30 seconds in 24 hours, you can be honest. Right? So please switch on your cameras. Nazra, are you here? Okay, Ms. Bano doesn't seem to be present. Nishkarsh? Nishkarsh, are you here? Okay. Nice. Om? Om Singh. Mahima? She will say. Mahima, are you here?
Ma'am, she's on hold.
Okay, she's on hold. Namrata Pradhan? Naveen Kumar Yadav? Now tell me how teachers will improve the... Okay, thank God. I heard one voice from the cave. All right, hello, Miss Namrata, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Say something. Say something so that I can check your voice quality and your mic is working perfectly.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. So should I share your cue on the WhatsApp group? Will you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is your cue. Observe it and then you shall speak. Keep noticing each other's performances also. How the first person spoke, then what happened to the next one, how differently they were, and what would be your take when your chance will come. All right, 5 seconds to go, then I shall delete. Yes, speak. Namrata?
Ma'am, there is a and it is fulfilled of beers, and there is two group
Why
of
your
beer
voice is
and
echoing? Why your voice is echoing? Are you using earphones?
no, ma'am.
Okay, then I should mute myself maybe because of my mic is on. Yeah, say again.
There is a forest and it is fulfilled of bears, and there is two group of bears and the fight for water. They fight for water.
Yeah, keep on saying. Time is running. You need to jot down and you need to make a chain. That is what. See, Rajneesh is taking a yawn. Publicly on camera. APS Olcan is so proud to have him as a L'Oreal student, you know. He will bring laurels to our school. designed in pink and yellow and magenta and fluorescent clothes, always flashing lights in everyone's heart. Yes, Namrata, please say. There was a bear, right? And he was hiding behind a branch, maybe trunk, maybe by the tree. Nearby there was a lake. So many things are there as a stimulus. Check your creativity. दिमाग कैसे काम कर रहा है आप लोगों का, कर भी पा रहा है या नहीं? और you people are struggling.
मैम
बताइए, 30 सेकेंड है आप लोगों के पास. आधा मिनट तो ऐसे ही चला गया, जल्दी बोलिए. Will you finish your story?
यस मैम.
Continue.
The two groups are in front and they are fighting for water. Some of them are hiding inside tree.
Okay, time up, Namrata. Thank you. Next time you must perform better. Will you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please do so. All right, so the next person with us, since he raised his hand first, so I'm picking up Aditya. So, Mr. Aditya, your cue is this. Angel, next will be you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after.
Okay, next will be Kirti after Angel.
Ma'am, me also.
Okay. Fine, I'm deleting. Speak.
One day, my family members planned to visit to Goa for a vacation. As we went there, we stayed at a beach resort. From the resort, we can see a beautiful waves striking the shore. People are enjoying their trips as well.
Yes.
There were many people were doing boating. There were many rides as well, and we also enjoyed a lot the trip. Yes, from this much only.
Keep on adding content, keep on adding. You must not run short of content. That is the catch. Yes. Something happened when you go on a trip. There are so many things. Think. Connect it with it. You stay somewhere. I should not be speaking.
We stayed at a resort. The view from the resort was awesome, and we enjoyed a lot. And we met my father's friend, my father's friend and his family members. They were also there for their vacation.
Good. Time up. Your house is blue, your section is B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so who was next? Angel.
Ma'am, I said.
Okay, Angel, so here is your cue. I have only 3 minutes. I may continue in the second period. Will you all perform? I doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी भक्तजनों की
Yes,
संख्या इतनी कम है, मंदिर कौन विजिट करता है? Nobody has interest in, you know. Well, ठीक है. If you people say, I shall keep it on. So, Angel, here is your pick. Speak.
Ma'am, there was a girl who was standing like a statue. The policemen were there who's standing, and the girl has eyes. His eyes is closed, and you have.
Yes, yes.
He was very scared, so she was like,
All right, listen. I will tomorrow again will conduct this activity in a fresh mode. जिन्होंने बोल लिया है that is okay, but they all will be given a new chance. ठीक है? Since
Okay, ma'am.
since क्योंकि सबकी शक्लें बहुत ही
Ma'am, I
देखने
have a
लायक
very
है.
good story for this picture.
वो ये तो impromptu आना चाहिए. कुछ भी सामने आ जाए, then your mind should act immediately. This is the way you should train your mind, and that is how है ना Sumit. Sometimes you can pass a smile too. You will look good. All angry mode on, huh? Sumit Chandra? Something happened? Are you not well? This is the way you sit before camera. All serious, ma'am. Please teach. Don't laugh around. Okay, fine. I'm
No,
going.
ma'am.
I'm going. Don't be worried. All right. So, हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, what about the story map, ma'am?
I'm so sorry. Yeah, you may drop the story maps if you have drawn on your copy in my personal right now. ठीक है? I have a period right now in 7th, so I'll be checking it after 1:10. All right, Aditya.
Ma'am, but
Copy
what
and
about
paste to
my
everyone who wish
Ma'am,
to.
I have to complete this story map, so can I send it till 2?
Yeah, you may send me later, but those who wish to share their story map, they are most welcome. Drop the story maps on my personal. And second period tomorrow, we shall be having picture perception and description activity. All right. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.